Last good day to play golf around here because with the rain tomorrow and the snow and freezing temperatures all next week, I don't know if you'll be able to get the clubs out here, but unless you're brave, unless you like that kind of stuff, because it'll be it'll be dark and 12 degrees in the early morning tee times. This is our winter weather official alert page. So we have issued a winter weather watch, a winter storm watch for the areas that are shaded in gunmetal blue, and that includes eastern Idaho, all of the mountains, and even a little sliver down here toward Bear Lake. And that will include 2 to 5 inches of snow, and we'll top off the Tetons before it's all over with and make things feel like wintertime. Finally, around here, we've had some record-setting temps approach this week, and we'll probably see those this afternoon into Pocatello, where we'll be in the mid-70s. It feels good right now. However, we do have some rain on the way. You can see it in the upper left corner of the screen. I dropped the temperatures and some wind speeds in on our First Alert Viper radar. It's 69 in Pocatello. They've got a wind of 30 miles an hour right now. Idaho Falls, we're close to 70 as well, where it's 17 miles an hour. 69 in Rexburg with 20-mile-an-hour winds and a little lighter breeze there into Chalice, Salmon, and Stanley, where it's still in the upper 50s. And this is the leading edge of the next system that will come in, and it will combine with a system from the southwest. And when they get together, we're going to have some winter weather. Now, the gust of winds this past hour include a 40-mile-an-hour gust into Pocatello, 30 in Driggs, 23 in Idaho Falls, 22 in West Yellowstone, and 29 over in Twin. So you know what's coming. We've got some breezes and some really chilly air backed up behind this moisture. I want you to watch as the gradient here changes from the deep blue to just a rabid purple color, which means we're going to get some chilly, cold air in here. It's going to make that switch for us as we get into Sunday for the showers and snow that will be around into Sunday night. Now, this will all start into the early morning hours on Sunday morning, and you'll begin to see it collect on into Tuesday as well, because we got another system that's going to show up. So watch as the snow, you can see the low begin to collect right here as we get into the latter part of Sunday, and it just starts swirling, and wherever it stops is where we'll have the most snow. We're thinking upwards of 4 to 8 inches into the mountain zones, and maybe a dusting to an inch or two into the Snake River Plain and the lower Golden Valley. But it's just fascinating to watch these systems get together. Here's where the low right now is churning that southwesterly flow up into the afternoon. Winds at 20 miles an hour. Gust will be even more prominent between IF and Jackson into the mountains. We get this little warm front in here tonight, and then that next system starts to join in, and we get a rainy day tomorrow, all swirling around that low with winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting maybe up to 30. And then on Sunday, we get blowing snow. Now, into next week, we're going to have another couple of systems that push through here and bring us a chance of snow. The snowfall amounts continue to waver because of the determination of the systems and where they're going to stay and how long they'll stay there. So we've seen upwards of 8 inches pop up on the models, but it looks like 2 to 4 into Jackson, a dusting into the plain, a couple of inches in DuBois, 2 to 4 inches in Mackay. If this thing picks up speed, obviously it's not going to stick around long to create much snowfall, but there will be some. It'll be good for the resorts, and it will be nice to feel like it's close to Thanksgiving, right? Don't jump to Christmas too soon. All right, 74 in Pocatello for the afternoon. It'll be 75 in Burley. We'll do 62 for Jackson. With the sun poking through the clouds, it'll be 66 in Salmon and 64 degrees in, 64 in Salmon, 66 Chalice, 64 Stanley. Overnight lows are relatively mild from what we've seen, so that moisture and the blanket of air that's here right now is the warm before the storm. Here's your local news 8-day extended forecast. It will be warmer into the afternoon, be right around 70 degrees, a 40% chance of rain tomorrow with the winds continuing to blow and a 70% chance of snow on Sunday. We're going to take the temperature down a lot to 36 degrees. That's a 40-degree jump in about 2 days from 70 to 30. Temps around freezing for good snowmaking weather next Tuesday and Wednesday with a front that'll pass through. Same deal for Pocatello, 74, mid-60s tomorrow with cold rain, and 33 on Sunday morning for snow, and 38 into Sunday afternoon, and freezing into next week and just above that into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Blackfoot, 73 with winds and 63 with rain tomorrow. It'll be 37 and snowing on Sunday and 30 on Monday. We'll break the clouds up just a little bit, push that front through. It'll be freezing. Overnight lows will be in the teens to 20, and we'll see snow chances in there. So it's time to get out the coats and make sure everybody has the boots and everybody's set to scrape the driveway if they need to. Rexburg 68 and then 63. Look out for your neighbors with snow and rain-snow mix into the mountains, into eastern Idaho, and Sunday it looks like it'll be white. 30, and then partly sunny on Monday, but we're not going to get out of the freezing zone really until we get to maybe the end of next week. Salmon 64, then rain tomorrow and 57. It'll be 25 in the early morning on Sunday, and snow for the back end of the weekend. Mid-30s, and we'll keep it there with 1 in 3 chance of more snow into Tuesday and Wednesday. Jackson has rain to snow on Saturday and Sunday after a nice day today, and 62. Go to the grocery store, get the stuff you need, check on the neighbors, make sure the pets have what they need in case it gets chilly in the yard. Tuesday, Wednesday looks like it's going to snow as well into Jackson. So good picture-taking weather over there for Christmas cards. And we asked you, share your drive-through order with us. What is it that you know you're going to do? It's like a robot. You pull in there and you go, I'm ready for that Chick-fil-A #1 combo with waffle fries and a lemonade with a cookies and cream shake. Did I just say that?
Mm-hmm. Now you're making me hungry.
I know. Isn't that delicious? I'll get in line for that. Susan says chicken fingers and coleslaw at a place called Raising Cane's. I've been there before.
Yeah.
You've heard of Whataburger, right? Whataburger? That's down in Texas. Bill says any meal that includes a soft drink without the drink running down the sides of the cup.
There you go.
And Bill also says a Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich and a lemonade. And Misty would love a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich and fries with a large sweet tea. Yummy. And somebody wants some 12-piece nuggets too.
Do you